In this video, I'm going to show you how to import brushes into FireAlpaca. Now to do this, first you want to go to the bottom left to this brush menu. If you can't see it, go to Window up top and click on Brush over here. It's going to pop up. Now down here, you want to either click on this button to show the brush store, and it's going to open the brush store where you can import brushes from. So as you can see here, you can go and just add them to your brush list by clicking on them like this, and it's going to basically download into your brushes over here on the left. That's the first way to do this. As you can see, it's already over here. The analog grazed pen, it's over here. I can go and click on it and actually start using it inside my art. And then the second way is going to be to click on this button to add brush, and then you can either add a bitmap brush over here from a file, you can add a bitmap brush for canvas, or you could go and add a script brush. So if you have something like a script brush, which is of course very possible, it's usually going to be something like a .bs file, which is a brush script. You could add it from here, select the file, and you're good to go. Or if you want, you can click on add bitmap brush, which is the most convenient way. You can simply click on it, and you can actually use any PNG to become a brush. So over here, you can find a PNG. I'm just gonna go and, for example, find my logo over here, and it's a PNG file. So I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna click on open. And as you can see, there we go. This looks a bit funny, but still it's a brush. You can actually make this into a brush. Here you can change its parameters and settings and a bunch of different things. And when you've done this, click on OK, and you can select it over here. And as you can see, I have this brush over here, which is essentially the brush of my logo, which is quite nice. Okay, so that's how to do this. That's how to import brushes into FireAlpaca. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.